Welcome back, everyone. After being on hold for quite a while, we're finally getting back to work on this build. First step, lay down a clear primer coat to prepped surface. Next, I'm prepping a heavily diluted wash. Getting the right consistency here is key. Before applying that first layer of depth and weathering.
Stop right there. Enjoying the content? Follow and leave a comment. It seems small, but it's a massive help.
Time to slap on the wash. Precision isn't critical here. This Jeep Rubicon body is fairly simple and flat, so I mainly just want to see where the excess pigment naturally collects in the recesses. Now using a sponge technique for a dirty effect, lightly dabbing the raised areas to bring out highlights and create realistic texture. A quick pin wash overall, the small scale accessories to make those details pop. And finally, locking it all in with a clear gloss protective coat. Stay tuned to see the finished rig in the next update.